Hey guys,
It's Angela
and Alyssa.
we're back with another video, and today we're going to be doing
Slime
pet peeves. Some of this is just going to be our made up ones, and some are real ones. Okay, so let's get started. So the first slime pet peeve is when people poke with one finger. That's so annoying.
Yeah. Nice poking.
That's what I hate. Because if they have other fingers, they should use them. Okay, and now it's Alyssa's turn.
My slime pet peeve. It's totally the horrible thing. When people are playing with your favorite slime and they won't let go of it and they're like, "I'll just split it." I'll give you anything. Oh, you want to see my favorite slime?
Yes.
You want to squish it?
Yeah.
But could we have split it in half?
No.
Seriously, that is my favorite slime.
I don't care.
Guys, people are so ignorant these days.
Here you go.
So sick.
Oh, and later on we're going to make another video because we want to show you what it looks like when we're skateboarding.
Yeah, we know how to skateboard, people. Next slime pet peeve.
Okay, the next slime peeve is when people they don't squeeze the swirl. They just
Poke it.
Yeah, they just poke it like this. Can you feel me? Sorry about the extra stuff. So first, let me make a slime swirl. And right now, on the break, we're just gonna talk about my best friend Alyssa Pineda. We're sisters.
And people are probably wondering about Autumn. Autumn, it's just hard to work with making videos. I hate to say it, Autumn. She probably is going to get mad at me, but she's just really hard to work with.
So sorry about this, but it's a really bad swirl. But let me try to work on it. Okay, just talk about her again.
Autumn's really hard to work with, and she's usually she tries to be the center of the camera, and she doesn't let me do it a lot of things. And it really bothers me, and I usually okay, this is the truth. I yell at her a lot because it just bothers me. I don't like when people try to take center stage. Yeah, so don't try to do that. Now we're back.
Okay, now we're back with a better slime to do slime swirls. So oh my gosh, that's really bad. Sorry if we're talking so.
Here's my slime, guys. It's like crystally.
Okay, Alyssa, we're ready.
Pet peeve. I want to squish it. That's why I hate slime and ASMRs.
And then they squeeze it after. Why can't they just squeeze it before? Okay, your turn.
Okay, my slime pet peeve is when people are like, "Oh my gosh, this is perfect slime. Look at this. It's your best slime." And people take it and they're like, "Oh, here, I'm gonna pretend to put it over your head." They get stuck in your hair. And you get hair in your slime and you have to cut your hair. Oh, let's show you an example. Put it in my hair. Yeah, just pretend. Oh, hey, you know that's my favorite slime. I got slime in my hair.
Well, my mistake. I don't care. Okay, it's my turn. So this is my pet peeve. This is a made-up one, by the way. When people put water in their slime and then they start poking it. Come on, show them up.
What's the point of that? So unreasonable.
Oh my gosh. Sorry if it's bad lighting.
So guys, that was it for today. Subscribe and like to our channel because my mom owns YouTube. Just kidding, she works for YouTube, so yeah, you better.
And we're gonna do a giveaway on slimes. We're gonna give away all our slimes because we can just make our own.
Look
so
at
we're gonna
these.
give away.
We're gonna give this one.
So we're gonna give away blue raspberry, purple grape,
Lemon.
No,
that's California banana slug.
Oh no,
Yeah,
just banana.
It's banana slime. Sorry.
And this is green apple. And here we're gonna give away this
Nickelodeon slime.
A booger slime.
Yeah, I actually knew that. And here's my banana slug slime.
No.
California banana slug.
Lemon.
And here is my 1,000 wishes slime. I named it specially.
And this
Is my clay gum butter slime. It's actually not made out of gum, guys, so don't worry. It's actually just slime by pink. And we're also giving away this pink fluffy bubblegum slime. But guys, wait.
and
one more
here is a blue ocean.
Wait, guys. You can't get these slimes unless you subscribe and like to our channel. And guys, check out my Instagram, Alyssa Pineda. Really good stuff on there. I just went to San Diego, so really good stuff.
Yeah, and we're also going to and also follow my Musical.ly account. It's Angela Mia 4343, and go ahead and look at that. Okay,